Hi everyone. So today it's a nice day, so I can come outside and actually go around the garden and see what needs to be done. Because this coming week, is actually going to start doing some work outside. Yeah, it was fun. We had just a little bit of vacation to the child, but now back home and ready to work. ថ្ងៃហ្នឹងវាថ្ងៃល្អបន្តិចវាមានថ្ងៃចាំងហើយវាអត់សូវជាក់ហើយណាមួយក៏វាអត់សើមដែរប្រហែលថ្ងៃមុនវាសើមខ្លាំងព្រោះវាភ្លៀងខែហ្នឹងវាចូលខែភ្លៀងហើយតែថ្ងៃហ្នឹងគឺថ្ងៃល្អហើយចង់មកមើលចំការថាត្រូវមកធ្វើអីខ្លះទៅក្រៅហ្នឹងព្រោះទៅក្រៅចាប់ដើមធ្វើកិច្ចការងារនៅក្រៅហើយមកមើលបោសសម្អាតផាជាមកដកដើមដែលវាងាប់តែពីឆ្នាំមុននោះដល់ងាប់វាដកវាចេញហើយដាក់ដាំអីផ្សេងទៀតណា so I'm going to clean up that area right there sometimes maybe today soon and maybe pick up all the dead plants and maybe think about planting new ones in there and then along the pathway នឹងមកកន្លែងដើរហ្នឹងប្រហែលជា and there's here this new that was planted on the fall អានេះផ្កាដាំខែ11នេះដាក់ខែ11ឆ្នាំតនេះខាងលើគេដោះឃើញទេតែវាមានអីផ្សេងទៀតដែលត្រូវដែលដោះទៀតតែឥឡូវវាអត់តដោះហើយដោយសារវានៅត្រជាក់បន្តិចប៉ុន្តែទឹកក្រៅវាចាប់ដើមលាស់ហើយ so next week there's other maybe hostas and what is that thing called hosta and heucheras will start growing maybe sometime the next couple of weeks because it is starting to bud and but I do need to plant some more ឥឡូវទៅទិញផាជាដំណាំបើដាំថែមទៀតកន្លែងហ្នឹង so I also want to start on the vegetable garden too. Vegetable garden is a wreck right now. Here, can you វាលាស់វិញខ្លះហើយវាលាស់វិញផ្កាលាត់ដើខែហ្នឹងវាលាស់វិញហើយប៉ុន្តែឲ្យកន្លែងជួរខាងក្រោយនេះមិនតាន់ដាំអីទេតែប្រហែលជាលះភ្យួរដាំហើយព្រោះមិនចឹងទេវាស្មៅចាប់ដាំដុះហើយ so yeah I better start doing something back here because I need to hurry up and clean up till it and start planting things and mulch it before the grass starts to grow. Let me show you the vegetables garden. Here is the vegetable garden. Oh, these starting to grow right here. This is the wild onions. So can you smell chop đam đo hai ní tàu tay bao sầm ạt vía đọ với chanh hay đam ép xanh tiết like this strawberry còn là đọ smell this. So I'm just gonna clean up the grasses, the weeds around here. Here I'm gonna replant not tomatoes because we planted tomato last year right in tiny that dam ip same which I'm on that dam pink pot high but that dam ip same did so here we need to control these grasses ធម្មតាវាយើងត្រូវមានកស្មៅប៉ុន្តែស្មៅចាប់ដើមដុះទៀតហើយនេះឃើញទេចាប់ដើមនេះវាហើយដុះវាហើយដាក់ដាំផ្សេងទៀត yeah, that looks terrible. Yeah, so here I need to start cleaning things up, starting things up right there. And the water thing is not done. That was supposed to be done a long time ago, but it's not done yet. It's a mess. Okay, ឡើយនោះគឺចេញដំណើរទៅកន្លែងសាទដំណាំហើយទៅមើលថាត្រូវទិញអីដាក់អីថែមទៀតទៅទិញជីទិញដីហើយទិញដំណាំថែមទៀតផងហើយចាំមកវិញចាំទៅចការខាងនោះគឺដាក់ភៀវម្ដងទៀតប្រហែលជាអាទិត្យនេះទៅដាក់ភៀវហើយ So I'll see you later.